An important feature of rich interactive websites is the ability to add and remove styles dynamically. jQuery provides a great mechanism for us to do this, both to add and remove classes as well as custom style rules. So to illustrate this feature, I've gone ahead and modified our index.html page to include a style rule that sets the background color of the highlight class to yellow and then has a body containing a paragraph element and 3 buttons. The add button will add that highlight class to our paragraph element. The remove will remove that class, and the custom will set the background color to yellow independently of the highlight class. Let's go to our app.js file to wire these buttons up. The first button, the add button, might look something like this. We want to select our paragraph element and add a class called highlight to that paragraph when the add button is clicked. When we click the remove button, we want to select our paragraph element and remove that highlight class. And finally, when we click the custom button, we want to set a custom CSS property. In this case, we simply set the background color to yellow. Note that in that CSS method of our paragraph element we've selected using jQuery, the first parameter is the property that we want to set, and the second parameter is the value that we want to set that property to. Let's go to our browser to see each of these buttons in practice. And we can see that when we click the add button, it adds that highlight class to our paragraph element. When we click remove, it removes it. And finally, when we click custom, it adds a background color of yellow to our paragraph. Because it's set a custom background color, a custom style rule, it will no longer work if we try and remove it because it's not that highlight class that got added, but simply a custom style rule. Hopefully this makes sense and you can see how we can add any dynamic style or remove any style from our DOM elements dynamically. Play around with adding and removing some more style rules using jQuery, and once you feel comfortable with it, let's move on to the next section.